Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you once again, as always, for tuning in. Before I started to make videos, I first set out to create animation sequences for them, because I wanted to add some personal branding. I've created several animations, although only one of them you actually see here on a regular basis. It's my name that appears in the lower third of the screen, and I'll bring it up right here. Now let me show you two other animations I've made for producing videos. The first is the opening sequence. Check it out. Now, I've used that opening animation in earlier productions, but I really don't use it any longer. And the reason is that I've noticed that many YouTubers initially put animations at the beginning of their videos, but then after a while they stop doing that. And it probably makes sense because it just allows you to get right into the video itself. Despite that, I'll probably bring that animation back at some point whenever it might help to add some branding. The other type of animation I made is for videos that might have sections or different topics of discussion. This is the sequence I made as a section title. Have a look. Believe it or not, I've never used it, despite putting quite a bit of time and effort into making it. However, I'll likely bring it into longer form videos later on. Now, how did I create all these animations? Let me tell you something. I am not an animator nor a visual creative by profession. I used Adobe After Effects. To learn how to use it, I turned to a few tutorials on LinkedIn Learning. Afterward, I used YouTube to pick up some specific animation techniques. There's a great creator out there on YouTube called Sonduk Films, with lots of good stuff on how to use After Effects and lots of great tips and advice on how to use this great tool for animation. So, do you want to learn something new and cool? Let me tell you something. It's all out there, online, and for the taking. All you need to do is just go for it. So until next time, take care. Talk to you soon.